Okay, it is 5 after 6. We drove over to Detroit last night. We were staying at the Holiday Inn right across from the airport. We're gonna go park the car and catch our flight, which boards in about an hour and 45 minutes. Let's go!
Go on a big trip.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Delta Airlines, now with service to Orlando. As you're getting settled, we'd like to remind you that this aircraft is equipped with the extended overhead bins. As always, your small items should be
It'll be so fun.
pushed back in order to
Well, let's
expedite the
go.
boarding process.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh, we gotta live. Cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Dream away with the music. Dream away with the music. Dream away with the music.
Hidden Mickey's in the carpet.
I found one right here.
Oh, I see it.
I found one right here. What's that?
Right there. Hidden Mickey's in the carpet. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
Hidden Mickey's.
Hey, Mickey.
Okay, so we have checked into our hotel. Finally, it felt like the Magic Express took a really long time. We stopped at the Coronado Beach Resort. We stopped at the Boardwalk. We stopped at the Yacht Club, and now we are finally at the Beach Club. We are in our room. I think we're gonna change clothes and go out, I think, to the Boardwalk to get something to eat. I did just film a room tour, so if you want to see that, I think I'm gonna post that before I post this video. So I will link it up above in the description box below if you're interested to see what our room looks like. We are just so excited to be here. So it is January 3rd and there are still Christmas decorations up. Poinsettias. Okay, so we are exiting the Beach Club and we are going to go over to the Boardwalk, oh shoot, Cafe? I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, we're gonna go over there real quick. Boardwalk Bakery. Boardwalk Bakery! And look, there is the pool that is Stormalong Bay. You can see the pirate ship. We can go in the pool later if you want to go in the pool.
Did you do anything last week?
And there are the Surrey bikes. I really want to go on one of the Surrey bikes. So this is where we're going, the Boardwalk Bakery, right here. Hi! Wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's a New Year's cupcake. And an Oreo cupcake.
Look at that.
So yummy.
That's my cupcake. Or cookie cupcake. Wow, look at that. It's a cookie cupcake.
Yeah. So this is what we got. We got a chicken Caesar salad, a cupcake, and a sandwich, a roast beef sandwich.
Big and beefy.
It is big and beefy. That's right.
And chips.
And chips. So I've always wanted to do one of these Surrey bikes, so we saw some of them just now. So we decided to do it. It is a workout. It is a workout, but it's fun. Surrey Bike is a lot harder than it looks. I did it, I checked off my bucket list, and I'm done. We made one lap around like the boardwalk, and then over by the International Gateway, and then around by the beach and yacht club, and I jumped off and I went into the shop and did a little bit of shopping, and my husband and my son did another lap. And I may do another lap with them or call it a day because kind of exhausting. It's now 3 o'clock. We are walking back to the beach club to get cleaned up because we have a dinner reservation at 6 o'clock, so we have some time, but we want to walk around a little bit. We are going to dinner at Artist Point, which is the new character dining. I think it's called Storybook Dining, with Snow White, Dopey, Grumpy, and the Evil Queen. So I grabbed a beer on the way back. Mr. Tractor, $10 beer. It's like $9 and some odd cents, but it's good. But it's a little warm out here, so I needed something cool and refreshing.